Hey everyone, this is PhD Natural Me, and today is Vlogust Day 24. It is a beautiful day out. Just came back from eating some wings and actually came back doing laundry today, and I owe my husband a big apology for getting upset just because there was so many clothes. We didn't wash clothes last week, and that was my doing because he wanted me to rest, and I got upset because I saw how many clothes there were, and I apologize. Anyway, I had some wings today, and they were naked bone-in wings, and I had 1 tablespoon of Carolina Gold barbecue sauce along with 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing that I mixed. And well, not some I mixed. I put a little bit of the barbecue into the ranch, and I dipped my 9 wings in there and saved myself a whole bunch of carbohydrates. So I feel very good about that. Yay! It's beautiful. Getting ready to fold about 5 dryers worth of clothes. Well, we are going to fold. Michael, honey, and me. So anyway, I just wanted to come on and say hi, and I hope you're having a great day, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, stay healthy, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.